Hi, this is Anita Sierra, and today I'm going to talk about landmark case Terry versus Ohio. This case happened in Cleveland, Ohio on the year of 1968. This case talks about Fourth Amendment, the Washington Street, and the exclusionary rule. And here are the facts. It was on the year of 1968 when Detective McFadden was on duty and saw these two guys called Terry and Chilton walking back and forward in the same street, joining at this corner. Mr. McFadden decided to watch out their actions because he was thinking these two guys were about to commit a crime. So after some time, another guy called Katz joined these two guys, but when he met with this guy, he just left as quickly he could. When Mr. Katz left, Mr. Terry and Mr. Chilton kept walking back and forward again this corner, and after a period of time they walk away 4 blocks from the corner they were. There they join again with Mr. Katz. So for this time, Detective McFadden decided to go and ask them some questions. Mr. McFadden introduced himself as detective and asked their questions. He asked them their names. This guy just mumbled something, which made Mr. McFadden to make them to spin around the wall. Mr. McFadden started to freeze Terry and Chilton, and he found 2 pistols belonging to Terry and Chilton. So Mr. McFadden decided to charge Terry and Chilton for holding a concealed weapon. At court, Terry and Chilton, the defendants, argued that their Fourth Amendment right against unreasonable searches and seizures was violated by Mr. McFadden. McFadden said that he had probable cause and reasonable suspicion about these 2 guys that were about to commit a crime and that they may be armed. So the court says that this evidence of the pistol neither rely on the exclusionary rule because the freeze that Mr. McFadden made on these 2 guys was not illegal because Detective McFadden has probable cause and reasonable suspicion about something was about to happen. Also, the defendants argued that Detective McFadden didn't have a search warrant at the moment of the freeze. So, the court decided in a vote of 8-1 decision to find guilty Mr. Terry and Mr. Chilton for holding a concealed weapon. After this landmark case, the court decided that police officers shall not stop and freeze any person of the United States without probable cause. The reasonable suspicion should be not taken in account for or against a defendant for committing a crime. So this case relies also on the Washington Street, which means that when police officers act illegally or take advantage of their authority, stop someone and freeze them and found something illegal, that evidence will not be used against the defendant. And here the victim will be the defendant, not the police officer, neither the state or the country. So in my own opinion, this this case is very important because it gives you the right to protect your body, your property, which can be your car, your house, your backpack, anything, from any police officer or authority who wants to start a search without a search warrant or probable cause. Well, that's it for this landmark case, Terry versus Ohio. And this is one more example that the Constitution of the United States and the Bill of Rights is protecting every citizen of the United States equally. Thank you.